ETH, we start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was exactly within here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. This is what we get. And we mentioned we're looking to see the breakout of the 31,3160 following by 3320. Because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this. Anyway, we see the continuation. It was quite corrective. And if anyone get the trade for buy from here and is still they keeping the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation, because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this one. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. And if we refer to daily chart, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. And as what we expected, the price tag 3.2K. And we mentioned that for the breakout of the 3.5 following by 3850 is quite important for us. This is the resistance we're looking for. But from what I can see here, the best thing is if we see the daily correction. Any daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Because if the price continue as what we have here as a corrective, mostly we have to look for trade based on lower time frame, and any trade will be a short-term trade. That's why the DP correction based on daily chart, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. And at this point, we don't see any trade setup, because if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. And with the breakout of the all-time high, we have been looking for 5.5 following by 7K. By the way, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame, and if we put this stop in relative to the previous stop, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. It's losing the momentum. That's why for those traders, they get the trade for buy within here, or even within this range, at least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. Okay, how are we going to look at this chart? I don't think we can even if you want to consider this one as a flat, we have what we can expect a one move up. That's mean mostly we can consider this one in relative to any of this. That's mean any if the price continues similar to what we have here, any trade will be for buy will be shorter. That's why I mentioned we prefer to see the deeper correction for continuation based on daily chart, right? And at this point, we don't have any trade setup. And based on forward chart, even the update is for those traders, they get a trade for buy. If they want to keep, move their stop loss to break even. And we're looking for the next trade. But at this point, we don't have any trade setup. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. Then how to look for trade? The best things is if this one turns to a deeper correction, it can give us better opportunity for continuation. All right. But at this point, if the price continue from here, the only option is to look for the sharp move flag. We take the trade. And the breakout of this one, this is what we're looking for. This means we have to wait. Any trade, if the price continues as a corrective, we consider as a short term. And in this case, we just follow the chart. And at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the price continue drop and following by DP correction. In that case, we will give update. And at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any option or any trade up possibility, then I will share. Thanks.